In this video, we are going to solve some questions on directed numbers. We will use the knowledge of what we have learned from my explanation about plus and minus. Remember, I said that if you have plus a number, it means you have that thing. So if I give you plus 3, it means you have 3. But if I give you minus 3, it means you are owing someone 3. Now we will use that idea to solve these questions we have on the board. Question: evaluate the following directed numbers. It is either we use the word evaluate or you will be told simplify. Simplify, evaluate. We use them interchangeably, okay? They still mean to solve the question. So we have these 5 questions on the board. Let's see how we handle them. Number 1, minus 12 plus minus 22. Now I will advise you, get ready to write some important points as I will be telling you. Whenever I make some points that I would like you to write, I will tell you. So you write it by the side where you are solving this in your book. Okay, we're going to solve the question on this side of the board. The first question is minus 12 plus minus 22. So solution number 1, minus 12 plus minus 22. Now you know that this minus 12 plus minus 22 is still the same as, watch now, remember, 2 signs follow each other here. So we're going to do plus times minus first. Okay, you know, plus minus, if they just follow each other and you will work it out. Plus minus will give you minus. In our previous class, when I treated how to solve directed numbers using number line, I explained this. So you can visit your notes back in that to remind yourself of that. Plus minus will give you minus. So this will become minus 12 minus 22. Minus 12 minus 22. This and this, they are the same thing. Now, how would we solve this problem without using number line? It's simple. Now, this 12 has minus, this 22 has minus. It means you are owing completely. You are owing 12, you are also owing 22. Now, because both of them is minus minus, that is you are owing and you are owing, what we will do is to put the 2 numbers together. Now you know the final answer we would get will be minus, because all these things here show that you are owing, and when you are owing, you know it's minus. So this is what we would do. When you have the same signs, like here minus, minus, pick the 2 numbers and add them together. Pick the 2 numbers and what? Add them together. Then because you have minus, minus here, you pick one of the minus. In the answer, you attach 1 minus there. I take that again, you can put it down. Because these 2 numbers, both of them, has minus, minus. What you will do is add the 2 numbers, then your final answer, put minus. Because you know that the final thing here, you are owing all these numbers, okay? So this is what we will do. Come on, that is 2-digit numbers, so you have your tens and units. So I will write 12. Okay, I like always writing the bigger number first, but it doesn't matter. I can still put 12 because I'm going to add. Then 22, you'll start from units, 22 like this. So we're going to add this. I'm going to add this. If I add this, this is what I will get. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. You see this, right? I've gotten 34. That 34, I will put minus. So this is minus 34. That is the answer of this. It means all the things you are owing together is 34. And that is why we got minus 34. Remember, if you've not written it, write it down. This 12 has minus. This 22 has minus. Both numbers have the same sign. So what you will do is pick the numbers and add them. The final answer puts the sign that both of them have rather. So we go. I'll conclude, therefore, minus 12 plus minus 22. The answer is equal to minus 34. Minus 34. So this is my answer. Good. We are going to solve the next question, number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2, we have it here. 10 minus 10. So let us see what we get. 10 minus bracket minus 10. Let us get what this thing means. 10 minus minus. You have this minus minus. It's going to change to plus. So this becomes 10 plus 10. Good. Did you notice something? This 10 now has become plus. Minus minus, it will change to what? Plus. Now this 10 that is standing here, is there any minus here? Is there any minus before it? No minus. Now I have said this again and again before. If I give you a number and there is no minus before that number, it means that number is a positive number. So it's going to be plus the number. So this 10 you are seeing here is the same as plus 10. So this thing is plus 10 plus 10. Okay, you notice that each of them has plus. So they have the same signs. What did I tell you when I solved this question? When the numbers have the same sign, simply pick the numbers and add them together. Pick one of the signs you have there which are the same. So we'll do that. These are 2-digit numbers, so we're going to have tens and units. This 10 here, I'll write it, 0 will come under unit, 1 will come under tens, then I'll put my plus, 0 will come under units, this 1 will come under tens, then you add, 0 plus 0 is 0, you start from units, 1 plus 1 is 2. Good. Now here, which sign will I pick? Remember that both of them has plus plus. So the sign that will go with the answer is plus. Because here, you are not owing anything. This 10, you have it. This 10, you also have it. They belong to you. You are not owing. So the final answer, you will also have it. And when you have, it is plus. So I will conclude. Therefore, 10 minus bracket minus 10. The answer is equal to plus 20 or simply 20. Plus 20 or simply you can leave it as 20. The choice is yours. Even if you have 20, it's the same as plus 20. Alright, now it is time we're going to solve the third question. 25 plus minus 13.